We're out here for the last day of EA early season Goose. We all took off work. Apparently there's birds in here, who knows? Nate could be full of shit. But here's what we got going on. We got about 4 dozen silos and full bodies. And then he couldn't fit in the blind, so he's got his layout. And then we got the A-frame there, a couple geese behind us. Should do it dirty right about there. How close were they?
Lost him. Where the fuck? Right here. They're coming in.
Yeah. Behind us.
Yeah, I know. Don't move. That's how the wind is. Hard cut. That's how the wind is.
No, wait.
Right. They're on the ground or no? Yeah, on.
Should we kill them?
Are they on the ground? Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Far? 10 yards.
Go ahead.
Lay him! Kill that last one! Yo! Up high.
They're cupped up from far up.
Dude, I don't know if it's a fucking bird. Back.
Let them. I think they're trying to get down.
They're coming.
They're trying to get down.
They're coming.
Oh, they're locked.
They're going calm. They're doing it dirty.
Don't look up. Yep. They're gonna hook. Is everyone reloaded?
Yeah, I'm good. They're gonna do it on this pass right here. It's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Coming out to the right side. They're probably gonna hook and hit the same pass.
Don't move. They're gonna come over the line.
Don't move. We're on the right side. Here they go. They're cup.
Don't move.
There's another 10 left.
Shut up.
They're coming in.
No. They flared up.
Don't talk.
They're gonna land out far.
Look at these locked. Look at these locked. Look at
Dude,
these.
I know, but they right in front. We gotta shoot these.
Wait. All right, kill them.
We gotta kill these.
Kill them. Where's that one that sailed?
It sailed into that field.
These are small geese.
Right there. Yeah, they are.
No. Which field, Jut?
Right there, over the fucking.
There we go, boys. How many we got?
These are small birds. I think we just trafficked birds. Backwards.
Dude, I think these are migrants.
They could be.
That might be
Birds that were in here were big.
That's a nice. Look at the head on that. It's got a white patch. That's cool.
That's these.
Look at that one.
Dude, that's sweet.
They loved it.
It's just traffic birds.
We had to take that second group.
Huh?
There was one back here.
I got it.
What, way back?
No, I dropped it.
How many?
Let me talk to him. We just put them in. Put them in. Put them in the blind.
Yeah, we can.
Ditch them.
This is the smallest goose I ever
Yeah, just throw them in the ditch. Put them belly down.
That's the smallest bird I ever seen in my life.
Dude,
They are very small. Oh, they're coming in. Dude, a whole flock.
Where?
Right there.
Oh shit, they're caught. Yeah, no, we aren't done. You're gonna do it.
Yeah. Don't move. They're gonna come over top.
Let them hit the ground. All right. Don't let them hit. Right over top of you, Andrew.
Yep.
Don't move.
There's birds to the left.
Yeah, I know. Don't move. Let everything hit dirt. Dude,
Look
let
at
them all
these.
hit.
Look at these. Look at these, dude.
Just keep calling. Keep your head down. Let everything hit the dirt.
Go ahead.
All right.
Yeah.
Where's the big flock?
Right here. They're in our decoys.
Oh, they landed?
No, they're up. Hit them.
That big flock's gonna do it dirty on this pass.
Where are they?
Oh.
Here.
Low right.
We got to take the big flock.
I agree. Yeah, they're gonna do it right here.
Just wait.
Let them hit. Let them hit. Let them hit.
I lost the full.
Kill them.
Kill them. Watch that. Someone hit that last one.
I doubled.
There was not this many birds in here.
This is ridiculous.
I think we're trafficking.
With 4 dozen silos, they're doing it dirty. We got to clean up.
All right. Yo, only.
Oh,
I got far right. You take left.
how?
Yeah, dude.
Good last hunt. How many we got dead?
Who cares?
A lot.
Birds dead.
They're doing it absolutely filthy.
Oh yeah.
Little rainy day scout pays off.
Dude, we got a lot of birds dead.
Yeah.
I still got 2 on the other side of those trees.
Good feed. 2 good hunts in a row, dude.
We ain't done.
It's early yet.
James, there wasn't this many birds in here.
Well,
I'm down to 1 shell. Andrew.
I'm almost out too.
I have a bunch.
All right.
That's it. I got a half a box of BB. That's it.
When I drop 2.
I have a couple
Shit, I
here.
need a shell.
2 shot, but
Here
Just
they
one.
come, boys. Woo!
worth taking off work. What are these doing?
They're coming in. I'm gonna follow the other group.
If they
Fuck
give us,
that,
if
fuck
they
that.
give us anything,
Take them.
because they're gonna.
Where they at? I don't even got them.
2 o'clock.
Those are all sucking into that other field. They're locked.
Oh, these ones are gonna do it. These ones are gonna do it.
They're coming in.
Are they?
Yeah. We're gonna have to take anything we get.
I agree. No, these ones are committed to us.
You want to wait then?
Damn, they kind of started out. Nope, here we go. They're getting the wind.
Behind are still up too.
Just work these, dude.
Yeah.
There's no wind right now. They can come in however they
Yeah.
want. Yo, if they give us a low pass on this one, we might have to take it.
They're cupped. Just come on, do it.
Over top.
They're don't move.
They're gonna hit our wind hit right side again.
Yeah, they're gone.
Yeah. Let them hit ground if they do it.
Yeah.
Agreed?
Yep.
Get ready, get ready, get ready. They're gonna hit it right here. Whatever we get from now. Either they're going to do a really stupid low pass on us, or
If they do a pass, we should probably
if they
take
do
it.
it that low, we're killing them. Agreed?
Yeah. What are they doing?
No, they're coming.
Right over top.
Okay.
We're gonna have to kill these right here.
Yeah.
2 leads broke.
I say we take these 4.
If they do it, yeah.
They're hitting way out.
Leave them. Just leave them there.
Ugh.
We ain't getting to them. What are we supposed to do?
Jump them, but there's birds
We
in
ain't
the air.
getting that close to them.
No, jump them. Just kick them
Yeah.
off. 3 pack coming right from behind. See them?
Just taking your word. Yo, these birds might end up walking their way to us.
There's 3. 3 over Jut's back. Far, but I hope they don't land with that other one. I'll frickin' uppercut myself in the teeth.
Yo, if they walk in,
These are coming in. Jut. There's 2 right here.
big flock ain't coming.
These 2 might.
Oh shit, they're right there. Oh,
Heads down on the swing.
They're done. They're done. They're cupped. They're cupped. They're gonna do it. They're gonna do it. Don't tell me they're going for that big feed.
Are they?
They're turning hard.
No, they're dead. They're ours.
Cocky.
Real low over top of Judd. Shit. Andrew, off your right side.
Got him.
Oh, don't move.
Get ready, boys.
Hold on. Kill him.
Kill him.
That's how we want them. That's how we want them.
Yeah, but they're working hard.
If they give us anything.
They're coming. They're cupped. Oh my god. What are they doing?
I don't know. Circling. They're,
Oh god. Oh god. One of these are gonna do it.
maybe.
Andrew, what's that flock on the
Turning them.
Let them all hit.
Oh God.
Let them all hit.
Oh God, dude.
Oh,
Low
dude,
pass
they're
shot.
landing. They're landing.
All of them turn.
Don't move.
Let them hit. Try them, because they're
Right
No.
over top. Right over top.
no.
Now, let them work. Let them work.
Shh, don't move.
They're gonna do it.
Yeah,
These guys are landing.
don't move.
One flock's gonna be on the ground. One flock's grabbing.
On ground.
One flock.
What else is up in the air?
Nothing. We're good.
You want to try them?
Should we
out there a little bit?
try them, Jut? Good shot.
Nice.
Oh!
We gotta clean up now.
Dude, we gotta go.
Hold on, let me reload.
We got him, boys.
Damn, dude, they did it filthy.
Yeah, Andrew.
They did it dirty. Jut, they did. Get that one.
I got a gun. Hold on. Go ahead. Flock. Make my day.
No, get him. Yo, we got a lot of breasting to do today. Yo, hold them up, boys.
Dude, look at what I got. Dude, look at this thing.
Dude, he wanted to fight.
I know.
That's a big bird there.
Someone mowed a foot off.
Oh my gosh. Best shoot of the year for me,
Oh,
for sure.
dude.
I'm about to croak. Does anyone have like a water?
In the truck. We have like 20 birds.
Yeah. 4 men,
19.
9 plus that one,
20.
20.
Well, usually having shooting good.
Yeah, but Andrew, I have a couple stacked on top of each other.
I got them turned.
Oh yeah, you do. They're caught.
There was not this many birds in this field.
There wasn't this many birds in the area. Don't move.
They're landing on top of us.
Try them. Right here.
Kill them! I couldn't shoot, dude. My glasses were all fogged. Another one just landed right there. Dude, I can't. I missed every shot.
So did I. There you go.
Dude, on a day like this, 10 guns.
Yeah, easy, dude. Easy.
We shot a lot.
That's a big one, dude.
Look at that one.
Yo, what do you know about them rainy day hunts, boy? Shoo! Shoo! Sheesh!
Should we do a head count?
Yeah, I mean,
We might be getting close.
You ready?
Are they coming?
They're coming.
Oh, there's a bunch.
What's up? Big flock clopped.
They're coming. I don't know. Just don't move. They're right overhead.
They're coming.
Right to my right.
They're gonna die. They're gonna die.
They're turning.
Need one more pass. Cutting. Here we go.
Don't move. They're over top.
Let them hit ground if they're gonna do it.
They're right here.
You ready? Wait.
Kill them.
Kill them! You me. We did not kill a bird.
I killed 2. That was our limit right there.
Shut up, dude. I know.
What happened? John, what was that shooting?
Andrew, what the hell, man?
Yeah, they were in our face.
And they weren't gonna land. So.
They did it dirty.
They did.
I'll give it till 10, dude. Because it's gonna be a quick cleanup. Yo, I say we give it till 10. Everyone agree?
Whatever. I mean, if it happens sooner. How many on the day?
29 birds we could have limited, but last volley came in and we shot 11 times and killed 2, so. But nonetheless, great day. Couldn't ask for
Great
more.
last day for early goose. Absolutely banger.
Just absolutely laid them.
We did.
Banger.
Absolutely banger.
Next stop, duck season.